Hi everyone! In this video we're going to learn about how we can participate in a class discussion on Schoology. So first you need to open up a course that has a class discussion in it. So maybe your teacher posted a discussion. And here you can see it says discussion tool. The discussion icon is kind of like two messages that you can see, or comment boxes. So if I click on discussion tool, it's going to take me into the info section. So here I can see the directions. I can see also the name of the discussion. And if I go into the discussion now, I can actually add a post by clicking the plus sign on the top right and say, hello, I blah, 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 whatever you want. I can also, which is here's where it gets really cool, I can actually attach a picture, or I can actually attach a photo or video, and I can select a quality. I always select medium, not too much. And at this point, I can say, you know what, I'm going to set up a video, and I'm going to say hi. So I can wave, I can record, so I'm recording it now. It's dressed down day, I'm in a sweatshirt, yes. And then I can click the stop button, and I'm going to say use video, and now I've attached that video to my discussion. So let's say you make a video for a class, or you want to share a picture with your classmates and teacher, you can do that. So once I hit the check mark, it's going to convert that media, and now you'll see here, I posted something, and my video is attached right there. So if I want to watch it, or if anyone else wants to watch it, they can click on that. Now, here's how you reply to a discussion. So let's say I like this one here where it says, here is a post. I'm going to click on that, and now I can comment. So I can say, that is great. Obviously, you want to say more than that, and I can click the check mark. What that does is that notifies Mrs. Woods that I had a post, and then you can also like a post if I want to, is just by clicking a like. So it's got that very social media system look to it. It's very easy to be able to send posts, have good class discussions, and add videos, images, and documents. All right, so I hope this was helpful in the discussion tool and how we can use that. I hope you have a great day.